Hello and welcome to MML Projects and Coaching, your one-stop shop for easy, simple project documentation. Today, we're going to be looking at lessons learned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. Today's training will be structured as such. First, we'll have the overview, what are lessons learned, why they matter, when to capture lessons, how to run a lessons learned session, and then some key takeaways. So what is the core idea around lessons learned? Lessons learned are a structured way to capture insights from project delivery. What worked, what didn't, and what should change next time. They matter because poorly captured lessons lead to repeated mistakes, wasted effort, and organizational amnesia. Strong lessons learned practices increase delivery maturity, reduce risk, and improve future project outcomes. So what are lessons learned? A lessons learned is a validated insight gained from experience that can be used to improve future performance. Types of lessons could be positive lessons, practices that worked well and should be repeated or standardized. There's negative lessons, so issues, failures, or inefficiencies that should be avoided or mitigated. Process lessons, so improvement to governance, communication, tools or workflows. Technical lessons, so architecture, design, build, testing or integration insights. And then stakeholder lessons, so engagement, communication, alignment, and expectation management. So why lessons learned matters? The benefits will prevent repeated mistakes, improve predictability and delivery confidence, strengthen team capability and maturity, increase organizational knowledge retention, support continuous improvement, enhance future planning and risk mitigation, and build transparency and trust with stakeholders. Remember that lessons learned aren't a blame game. They are a performance accelerator. So when should lessons be captured? Throughout the project, so this will be your continuous capturing, and this can be done through sprint retrospectives, phase end reviews, major milestones, and after key decisions or incidences. Then there's end of project, so formal review, and this will be through structured lessons learned workshop, cross-team reflection, and consolidated insights and recommendations. And then post-implementation, so benefits realization. This will be done in terms of what actually happened versus what was expected, long-term impacts, and then user adoption insights. So let's have a look at some of the key aspects in terms of conducting a lessons learned session. First, you'll have the preparation. So you'll need to use sources such as a project plan, RAID logs, stakeholder feedback, performance metrics, team retrospectives, and delivery timelines. When it comes to facilitation, use a lessons learnt log with fields such as ID, category, description, impact, root cause, recommendation, owner, and priority. When we're in the session and we need to analyze the lessons, we can use techniques such as the 5 whys, cause and effect diagrams, thematic grouping, impact assessment, and pattern identification. The workshop will be structured such as setting the expectation, so no blame, open discussion, review project objectives, explore what worked well, what didn't work so well, identify root causes, and agree actionable recommendations. And then the action and embedding. So you'll assign an owner, integrate into future planning, update templates, processes, or standards, share insights across the teams, and track adoption and outcomes. So what are the common lessons learned themes? Requirements unclear or change late, over-optimistic timelines, insufficient stakeholder engagement, vendor delays or misalignment, technical debt or rush design, poor communication channels, inadequate testing or environmental readiness, and resource constraints or skill gaps. So let's look at some of the key takeaways from today's session. Lessons learned are essential for continuous improvement. They must be captured early, often, and at project closure. A structured process ensures insight become actions. Psychological safety is critical for honest reflection. And organizations that learn fast deliver better. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on lessons learned. For more information and for a wide range of free documents, please visit our website at mmlproco.com. I'm William Newbury, and until next time, thank you.